Eagle Fire and Water Restoration. E.F.W. Restoration, being a premier custom home builder in the area, is known with its beautifully designed custom homes, bright and warm, gorgeous interior design before and after renovation and remodeling. E.F.W. Restoration is a general contracting and design build firm serving in the Fresno, California, San Jose, and Bay Area. E.F.W. Restoration is specialized in taking residential building projects from concept through completion, including permitting, building design, engineering, construction, and complete project management. Remodeling your home according to E.F.W. Restoration standards, with innovative design and solutions, will give a new breath to your present home. E.F.W. Restoration homes mean high quality of performance, innovation, and new solutions of remodeling. When you're ready to improve your home, we'll schedule an in-home consultation with one of the company's experienced interior designers who's matched to your particular style, whether it's traditional, eclectic, modern, minimalist, etc., to discuss your project including your family's needs and styles. The company specialist will provide initial ideas and conceptual drawings with a detailed work scope itemizing the work and the various options you've expressed interest in, including the costs. The lavish appearance of the interior design, even the kitchens, bathrooms, will be delivered in value and quality. Easy way to make your home look more modern and up-to-date is to work with E.F.W. Restoration standards. Despite to the several years of operation in the area, E.F.W. Restoration has earned a solid reputation and adopted a simple slogan: everyone deserves to live in comfort, therefore is delivering a premium quality services at the most reasonable price.